Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to perform factory reset for your headphones JBL TUNE 770 using application. You have to start by open JBL Headphones application. Then your headphone should be connected with the app and the application opened for you the headphones menu. If you are in the main menu, just tap at your headphones. Now you need to scroll down. At the bottom we have the line support. Tap at this line. And right here at the fourth line we have reset to factory settings. Tap at this line, then click reset. Now, hide the application, go to the settings, then Bluetooth, and we should reconnect these headphones with the app. So, click at the information icon or settings icon near to your headphones, then forget the device and forget device. We have LE, we need to also remove LE. So information icon or settings, forget. You may have also not forget this device, but forget device or unpair or remove or something else. Now, if you have Android, you need to click pair new device button at the top, but not all Android phones have it. Maybe you need to do the same as on iOS, just go back and return to the Bluetooth or turn off and turn on the Bluetooth. Or maybe you have refresh button, tap at this button. After factory reset, these headphones enter to pairing mode automatically, so you will see them at the device list and you need to tap on them. We just reconnect them with the phone, so let's do this for the application. Open JBL Headphones app. Now click pair. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!